Okay, so I'm going to be making the birdhouse portion of these soaps. So I made these bars yesterday, and I'm going to be adding a birdhouse to the front of them. So I'm using soap dough, cookie cutters, impression mats, and some embellishments. The soap dough I made last week. I make mine in these little condiment containers, so you can see it's a solid block that I cut up into pieces, and then I just break down and massage into kind of Play-Doh consistency. You can see here I've already flattened a whole bunch out, put it between 2 layers of saran wrap, and now I need to probably my least favorite part of making these is rolling out the dough to the consistency that I need it. Fill in some divots. I think I can probably make it a little bit thinner. Now I'm going to kind of make an impression of this wood grain. So I got this from Lorena Sweets. She sells different kits. They're for baking. This one is a Easter kit. I'm just gonna lay this over and then roll and lift, and I have the wood grain impression. Next up, cookie cutter. It's my birdhouse. Cut a hole in the middle. There we go. Next up, Okay, we're just gonna make it smaller. I have these leaves, which I wanted to use, but I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to use them. These are little butterflies, which I wanted to use as well. Maybe something like that. I also have flowers. I think I like that. Okay, so now I have to attach it. I'm going to use my paintbrush and some water. Set these aside. Put that up. Okay. I'm going to attach that, just gently press on it. And there you have it. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the center. I had got a bird mold, but it hasn't come yet. And I might add a bird sitting on there, I might not. I'm just not sure. But for now, you have the top, the center. I did an inside design because I didn't want it to just be a plain bar, but now you see that through the hole. So maybe I should have just done a plain bar, but there you have it. One down, 19 more to go.